Hi friends, this is Sagar from SG Unreal Creation, and now you can see I just extend this map into a little bit big, and you can also try to make your level a little bit big. It's very simple. What I do is just take some geometry. This is the box, and put this and set the values around here. Z is 30, so this is the it can make the floor, and you just go over here and set this into 0. So this is the origin of the world. This is the whole map, and this is the origin of the world. It's a center of the world. So what you can do is just crank this value into around axis, I think uh, whatever you like, 8,000 or 10,000. I just make a 10,000, yeah, and I just make this a 6,000 like this. So you can make a floor, and you can make a different kind of walls, and whatever you like. So I'll just leave like this, simple and big map, so where AI can roam easily. And we will set buildings and some homes kind of thing, so player can go and check some pickups and take that. So in this video, what we going to do, actually in this video, we right now, as you know that we don't have any pickup system for health. AI shoot us, and he will shoot us, and we don't have any health pickup if we die. So we don't have any health. We have a ammo pickup, we have a weapon pickup, so but we don't have any health pickup. So, and we need to add some different kind of things like keys and quest item and intel. So what we are going to do in future videos, whenever we don't know that which AI has intel, so player need to collect that intel, and in order to complete the mission. Or maybe intel is not on the AI, so he need to check some keys, take the keys and open some doors, so he will then a player get intel, and then level completed. So that kind of stuff we will do in future videos, but today we need to set up that all system today. So we will need to create one folder, name it random pickup kind of thing. So here we need create one blueprint, and this is the actor. Name it master random, yeah, random pickup. Okay, and underscore BP. So this is the master, and what we are going to do, we need set up everything into this, like we already did this before in weapon master and pick up ammos and all stuff. So I don't know what kind of mesh you have for your pickup, like health kit or something like that. I have, I let me check what I have. Actually, I just pick some random meshes. This is ammo, but what I do is just make this thin, so and it will look like a key when I key card type. So here I have a skeleton mesh for health. This is the health pack. So I don't know what you have, but what I do is just for everyone, we just select a static mesh, and into static mesh we just need to make one skeleton mesh. So right now I just select this mesh, and this will show into here when I try. So just unselect that mesh, and here. So here, if you have a static, you choose this. If you have a skeleton, you choose this. Okay, so right now I have static mesh, so that's why I put this. So here we need one widget. As you know, I always work with widget into pickup. So, and we need some, sphere collision. Okay, everything is parent with the static mesh. So what I do is just parent everything with the static mesh, or whatever you like, or yeah, like this. So everything parent with static mesh. Or you just make parent with like this, or a little bit. Oh man, what the hell is this? Do like this. Okay, it's Japan on you. Don't waste time on two small things. So okay, quickly. So first we need a variable type. So this is the master, so this is the random pickup. So here we need one, enumeration, so we can name it random 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 pickup type. Random pick Oh man, pickup type. Okay, open this. Make 4. I think 4 is good. No, 5. So first is none, and second is health, and third is key, fourth is intel, and fifth is quest item. Okay, save everything. So into here, we save it and open this master, and here we need, just close this, and here we need one variable, random item. Okay, random item. Here is random, so we need to pick this. Okay, random pickup. So this is a type, so we can select the types. So we need this editable, so we want this to editable mode, so we can make different kind of pickups, so we can edit them whatever we like. So create child bp. So here we need, just make some child health bp, right click, create new child, remove this child name, this is key, and right click. Okay, remove everything, and this is intel, and one more, remove, this is what is that now? Item, quest item. Okay, so compile and save everything, and you need to open, because we don't set anything into here. First we need just event begin, begin overlap and overlap also. So here we need to just cast to our player as G. So what is your player, I don't know. You need to cast it, control C, control V. Okay, same thing, we do this tons of time whenever we create some pickup. So here we need both skeleton mesh or static mesh. I don't know which one you use, but you can do same for both. Custom render, custom depth. So here is custom depth enable whenever we overlap this. So, and here we need just make this and set visibility to true, and here we need enable input, so we need to enable input also. So here we get player controller. Okay, and if you want you can just make a one boolean, so can pick okay, it's safe side boolean. Maybe sometime it is good practice to make some booleans. To what I do is just set it over here whenever we whenever we overlap this, we will set this true. So what I do is just copy everything, even copy this also, put like this, and need some adjustment, and you just need to put it over this. So here we untick, reverse everything. Here we need to, when we and overlap, we need to off everything. So here off. Okay, after this we need interaction. We already create interaction input key, interaction item interaction key. So here we need first check what we check, can pick up, can we pick or not. So it determine we are and overlap or begin overlap. If overlap is true, then we can pick anything. So our input work when we overlap something. So here we need to just compile save, and here we need one switch to check what type of thing is, whether it's health key, intel, or quest item. So we just need to switch it, switch on true. We just need to check what type of this thing. So we just need to control V. Into none we don't do anything because none is none. So get player character. One thing I remind you, if you try to make this try to copy this tutorial, and you try to make a multiplayer game, it won't work, because this is a get player character and you can't cast it, because in multiplayer there is a lot of players on the level. So your interaction doesn't work, because he don't know what kind of player index it use. So if you try to make a multiplayer, you just need to save it a reference, then you can take it over here and change it over something, but you need to cast it. This is the single player game, so you have only one character. So this is some info. So what you need to do is we need some thing, some variable into here. So we need to add some variable, health pack. Okay, and one more key, we need a quest item, and we need one more intel. We will use this in future, but here we need health only right now. But we create variables for future videos. So everything is integer, compile, save, and by the default values everything is set to 0. You don't need to set it anything. Okay, if you want you can set give the health 4 pack on the event begin play. So after this, where is so here we need health get health pack. Whenever we you know event begin play, it check whether it's a health pack. If it is a health pack, what we going to do, we just increment it. Okay, increment, you just add plus plus, so you get this node into here. So what you can just cast set health pack, so you got health packs. It will add one more each and every time whenever you overlap that thing and you press interaction button if you want to pick up. So then, so same thing for key or intel also. You can copy quickly, uh, get key, uh, control C control V, and set key. If you think that why I use cast, because cast, if you want to change something into your character you need to cast it, otherwise it won't work. Or maybe sometime you can use this pure cast is only returning thing. For an example, what's changed into SG, so we can just take it get something. If you want to set something you just need to cast it, so it is also info. So maybe it will help you, so that's why we cast. So here we just simply straighting connection, so looks good. So what I do is when we pick something we need to destroy it from the floor. So here we just, where is destroy actor, where is, yeah, here it is, control C control V. Okay, if you want you can just set for intel and same thing, get intel and set intel like this, but for sake of time I don't do this. When we go into intel and we go for quest, then we set this into future videos, but you can set it early if you want. So okay, everything is okay. And so now we need to go into random, so open this. So here we need a static mesh, so I have one health pack, and increase this size by 2 because it is really very small. So I just rotate this by 180. And one thing, it's not on the center this. Okay, you can just make something, and if you put it over here, I don't know how much you want to put. When you press and on your keyboard there is a key called END. So when you press and it will go straightly down on the floor. So you just make some, and it won't work because right now, did you see, we make editable thing, so we can, if we don't edit it, can't, it don't understand it is a health or it is a key or it is a intel. So what you gonna do, whenever you put something you just need to change it over here. This is health pack, so this is also health pack, this is also health pack, And if you want to see, for right now it can pick that thing, but you know, he don't know where is health pack, and there is no value shown no up on the widget. So what we are going to do, first we need to create one widget for this. So quickly, so what I do is I have one widget, we can copy that widget. If where is that, we already create a lot of widgets. Okay, leave this, we just create new. um, okay, we name it random, no, health pack, sorry, health pack, health UI. Okay, open this. Here we need to change custom, so here we just set it wideness 120 is okay, I think. Oh sorry, 120. And this is just, I just put this 70. So what I do is just take a image, put over here, and I already, you know, uh, I already take some images, import some images, and where is that images? Here, plus and keys and that kind of icon. So what I do, just select this icon and click over here, so it will pops here. So what the good thing about is a white icon, so you can, you know, if you have a white icon you can tint it any color. If you have a already red color icon, so you can't, you know, tint it very well. So I always use a white icons to make any kind of tint. So this looks good. So what I do is just simple make some adjustment. Okay, and this is wrong anchor. What I do is just in the center, or if you want just upward. And here we need a text. Okay, like put it, throw it over here, and then health, and size to content, and you just need to 15 is okay. And what I do is just make some space and make this, press F. Okay, so it look good to understand which key you want to press it. So this is good practice. So if you want you can just light it, looks good. So this is your widget. So here remember this 120 and 60. So what you're gonna do over here into health widget, where is that health widget? So into you need to just change screen, and here you need a health, and give the size, exact size 120/60. Okay, so you just need to, you know, okay, actually we just parent this into wrong. So what I do is unparent this. No, sometime this will bugs me. Okay, leave like this, and compile and save into here. Now we can, you know, use where we want to put our widget. So now when we overlap, right now this is overlap on, you know, on the start, so we don't need we don't want this, because we need to just off it. Where is that? Visibility. Visibility, where are you? Visibility, here. We just need to off it. By default it's off, so when we overlap it show pops up. So right now we can we can pick. Okay, but we don't have anything to show up, so we need to open our as a this is our main hood. I don't is very bit put our hood, player hood, into here. Where is our player hood? Let me check. Sorry guys, actually we need to see where we put our hood. Type event begin play. I don't find even begin play here. Okay, here, where is this? Okay, pickup, into pickup. So okay, here what we are going to do, we just, first we need to just make this a little bit small. Okay, and copy everything. Okay, ammo counter, and this is also okay, this image, and little bit take this like this. And what I do is just text, we just make or text, or yeah, text. Okay, name it 00, and we just need one image, so throw over here. So what I do is just wrap this into horizontal box, and what I do is just throw this into horizontal box. So this is the container, you can just put it anywhere if you want, and fill if you want to do a fill, and fill. So what I do is we just need to first we need this to, where is that, image, this one. So into main UI here, so here it is very big, so what I do is just 32 by 32 is okay, or we just crank this value a little bit more, 35 or 38, so it looks good. And to here into text we just need to bind this. So what I do, just take this as G reference, Control C, Control V, get health, pack, put this over here, so it will show you the thing. But we forget to anchor it, so it will wrong anchor it, so we just need to anchor it from this corner. So right now we don't have any health pack, so but we went pick 1 2 3. Okay, so this video goes a little bit long guys, so what I do is just pause this video, and I'll continue this when I press H. So if your health is down, so we can fill it by pressing H. So we will do this into upcoming videos. So thank you guys, and I hope you like this, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you don't subscribe, if you're new, you need to subscribe my channel, and you have to join my FB page also if you want to, if you have any queries or that kind of something. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, see you, bye.